Welcome to this video on EC2 Instance States. In this tutorial, we'll explore the lifecycle of Amazon EC2 instances, focusing on three critical operations: starting, stopping, and terminating instances. Understanding these state transitions is fundamental to managing your AWS infrastructure effectively. An EC2 instance can exist in three primary states throughout its lifecycle. The running state, indicated by green, means your instance is active and operational, consuming compute resources. The stop state, shown in yellow, indicates the instance is shut down but preserved for future use. Finally, the terminated state, marked in red, represents permanent deletion of the instance. Each state has distinct characteristics and cost implications. When you start an EC2 instance, it transitions from the stopped state to the running state. During this process, the instance may receive a new public IP address, so it's important to use elastic IP addresses if you need consistent public IP assignment. All data stored on EBS volumes is preserved and restored when the instance starts. Once the instance enters the running state, billing for compute resources resumes. Stopping an instance is similar to powering off your computer. The instance shuts down gracefully, but all EBS volumes remain attached and your data is completely preserved. While the instance is stopped, you don't pay for compute charges, only for the EBS storage volumes. This makes stopping a cost-effective option when you need to temporarily pause an instance, but plan to use it again later. Terminating an instance is a permanent action that deletes the instance completely. Once terminated, the instance cannot be restarted or recovered. By default, EBS volumes are also deleted during termination, though you can configure them to persist. All instance data, configuration, and associated resources are lost permanently. This is the option to choose when you're completely done with an instance and won't need it again. Let's compare stopping versus terminating. Stopping is a reversible action that preserves your data and allows you to restart the instance anytime while incurring only minimal storage costs. Terminating, on the other hand, is permanent deletion where data is lost forever and cannot be undone. However, termination eliminates all ongoing costs. Choose stop when you might need the instance later, and terminate when you're completely finished with it. Understanding billing for each state is crucial for cost optimization. In the running state, you pay full hourly compute charges for CPU, memory, and all resources your instance uses. In the stopped state, compute charges stop completely, and you only pay for attached EBS storage volumes. In the terminated state, all charges stop immediately, unless you have EBS snapshots stored separately. Properly managing instance states can significantly reduce your AWS costs. Let's recap the key points. Stop preserves your instance and data for later use, making it ideal for temporary shutdowns. Terminate permanently deletes everything and cannot be reversed, so use it carefully. Stopped instances save money while keeping your configuration intact, offering a balance between cost and availability. Always choose the right action based on whether you'll need the instance again. Thank you for watching, and remember to manage your EC2 instances wisely.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.